Chris, and today's topic is into, the preposition into. The preposition into has a few different meanings, but they all involve movement towards the inside of something, such as Adam walked into the elevator, or 3 girls came into the store. One final note on the preposition into is that it is commonly used for places of focus. Now, here are some examples of the usage of the preposition into. Number 1, the president went into the conference room and started talking to the other world leaders, meaning the president entered the conference room. Number 2, Beyonce walked into the party and started looking for her friends, meaning Beyonce entered the party. Number 3, the mouse got into Taylor's house through a hole in her basement, meaning a mouse went inside her house. And number 4, I put the shoes back into the shoebox so they wouldn't get damaged, meaning I put the shoes inside the box. All right, now it's your turn. Please share an example of the usage of into for a place of focus. Okay? All right. Put those usages in the comments below, and I'll reply to you as soon as I possibly can. Thank you so much for your attention, and I look forward to hearing from you very soon. Until then, take care, and bye-bye.